Oh my gosh, I am so excited for our 30-minute Facebook share. And you know what? I cannot thank you enough for making this happen for your friends and family because their world is gonna be blown. No, I'm not kidding. You wait. It's gonna fly by. A lot happens in 30 minutes and anybody can do something for a half hour. And my job is to fire them up and get you stoked about your super fun, simple Scentsy share. Are you with me? Your job to be interactive. That's all. I mean, really, you wouldn't be doing a Scentsy party if you didn't love Scentsy, right? So here's my ultimate goal, is I want to get you everything that you wish for in your top 3 items when we set up your Facebook party for free. Yeah, I want you to get those for free. But I can't do it by myself. I need you to be interactive and post often because throughout the week before, I'm going to do a little something each day. Just share your honest thoughts, your feelers. If you have that product or if you know of someone, tag them or show a pic or do whatever it takes to be real about your thought on a Scentsy product or post that comes up. So let's get this party started. We're going to get your Facebook event going. You're going to be the co-host. And let's be noodling on who's going to get invited. Look, just for getting 25 yeses or maybes before your party, I'm going to give you a free bath bomb of your flavor choice. I mean, come on, because I really want you to be thinking of the fun 50 people that are going to go through our process of getting invited. Does that make sense? Okay, the best way to get a hold of me is by text. And you have my phone number, so please don't hesitate to call. And I cannot tell you how excited I am to meet your friends and family. This is going to be so great. And this really is going to be probably the most simple party in your PJs you've ever allowed your friends to enjoy in a shopping experience. Because they get to shop from their seat, not from their feet. So, see you on your Facebook event.